All right, guys, today we are going to look at this piece of text. If I'm looking through kind of doing a preview at some text features, I can see the title, How to Make this is the word origami fish. And I can tell by looking, okay, so this heading says directions, this says materials. I have a bulleted list here, I have numbered steps here. So I know just by previewing it that I'm going to be learning steps on how to make something. The author included some illustrations over here. So those are showing us what each step looks like. And the author also included a map down here. So I'm wondering if there's a particular place on the earth where these are made. So let's go through and read this story first. I'm going to X out of my video so we can see the whole text. How to make an origami fish. This how-to starts with a square. Every square has 4 sides. Each side is exactly the same length. Every corner in a square is exactly the same too. A kind of art called, and then this in parentheses shows you the pronunciation, origami. So a kind of art called origami uses paper squares. Let's see how. Materials: 1 square of paper, 6 inches by 6 inches. This means each of the 4 sides is 6 inches long. Crayons. Step 1. Do you want your fish to have stripes? Do you want it to have spots? Decorate your square with crayons or markers. Turn the paper over. Step 2. Fold the paper in half from the top to bottom. That will make a rectangle. Then unfold the paper to make a crease. The spots or stripes you made should be showing. Step 3. Next, fold the top and bottom edges. Make sure they meet at the crease. The spots or stripes you drew will be showing. Step 4. Fold in the 2 left corners to meet in the middle. These folds will form a point. Then fold down the top half of the paper. Press down to make the paper flat. Step 6. Fold up the bottom right corner. This is the fish's tail. Step 7. Turn the fish over. Draw a face on it. You did it! Now you have an origami fish. Did you know? Origami has been popular for a long time. At one time, it was so popular in the country of Japan that almost every Japanese child learned how to do it. Today, people in Japan, the United States, and many other places make origami fish and other animals to use as decorations or gifts. All right, and that is our story. Not our story, but our text. And the next slide will work on answering some questions and looking back into the text to figure some things out.